Hi, my name is David, and in today's video we're going to print stick-in labels for flowers like our bohem, which we've got all over the office here using Ghost Pro. Ghost Pro is the white toner printing workhorse for all sorts of paper-based applications. Using white toner and color toner, it can print color, black and white in one single pass on all sorts of colored media and white media, such as banners all the way up to 1.3 meters. Such as posters up to SAR3 format with 300 grams of paper weight, and of course all kinds of envelopes, cards, cardboard, stickers, poster, label media, whatever you can imagine. All we need for today's example is a design of our choice, depending on the flower or the label that we want to print. Of course, some tape to attach it later, a cutting machine or scissors, a paper of our choice. Today we're printing on a white 160 gram paper, and of course some skewers or toothpicks to attach the label to later on. We're using Ghost Pro, and Ghost Pro does mix the colors from cyan, magenta and yellow, and it has a white toner for any white toner based printing applications. I'll take you to the printer and have a look inside right now. As you can see, Ghost has a white toner, cyan, magenta and yellow toner, which means it does mix the darker colors, especially the black from cyan, magenta and yellow. And today's design is a great example to show you how Ghost can mix correct colors just using the color toners and the white, even when printing on white paper. I've got the design ready on the screen for us to print, so I simply open up the print dialog. Today I'm printing from the Windows Photo app, from a PNG file, but you could also print from PDF files or any other file you like to use. And I'm choosing a light cardboard for my paper type because I'm printing on a little heavier paper here, and then I send the job to the printer. Once our design has been printed, we can already see that Ghost Pro does pick up our colors really nicely. It mixes a nice dark green, mixes nice colors all the way in the photographic image. And of course, in this case, it utilizes the paper white to represent the whites because it knows that it doesn't print on a colored media. If we would be printing on a colored media, we can tell Ghost Pro in the printer driver which color we're printing on, and it'll generate a white using the white toner. If you like these kinds of videos, we would celebrate if you could give us a thumbs up below. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to get notified. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram to get all the latest updates on new technologies regarding white toner, specialty printing and transfer applications. Talking about transfer applications, at Ghost we offer white toner solutions for small desktop printers all the way up to production printers like this one. So go over to our website www.ghost-white-toner.com and check out all our offers. All we have to do now is to cut the labels and attach them to the skewers. This is how easy you can make your own planting labels, stick-in labels, loop labels, or any kind of label application, but also more than this, cardboard-based application, envelopes. Ghost Pro is the perfect tool for any stationery designer, whether that's from the flower and gardening industry, hotel industry, restaurants, hospitality industry, or of course for the wedding industry. Please visit our channel to check out other videos on white toner printing, transfer printing and specialty printing applications. For today I say thanks for watching and see you next time.